Hello friends, welcome to Education Adda. If you are looking for a fancy dress on fruit theme, so you can get here a mango, a strawberry and an apple fancy dress for your little ones. So I will make it in miniature form. You can make it in big size, but procedure will be same. So here is the list of materials we need. Some cardboard, some colorful paper, chart paper in yellow color, orange, green and red, string, scissor, pencil, paintbrush, color yellow, white, black, red and green. We are going to make an apple for fancy dress. So we need a cardboard, a red chart paper, Fevikwik, black color, pencil, paintbrush, string, scissors. So we will draw an apple shape on cardboard. Like this. You can use a big round things like plate and all to make this round. And we will cut it. Friends, I will cut exactly the same way this red chartboard. Now I will paste it with Fevic stick or Fevicol. Friends, now I will make a leaf on light green paper. If you have a dark green chart paper, then you can use that as well. I have this light green paper, so I will use this one. And I will cut it and I will paste it here. So now we will make eye to give it a living expression. Don't forget to make smiley. And here we are ready with apple fancy dress costume. You can make a hole here and here and add a string so that your child can wear easily. So here is the overall look of our fancy dress. This is an apple fancy dress. Now we will make a hat for our little ones, like this on chartboard, and we will add here and here string so that we can tie on their head. We will write this quote: an apple a day keep doctor away. Friends, I am going to make a mango, so we need a cardboard, yellow chart sheet, green chart paper, paintbrush, black color, Fevicol or Fevistick, pencil, scissor and string for tying. Now we will make a mango on cardboard. This is a miniature form of fancy dress on mango. You will use big cardboard and you draw a big mango shape. I will cut it. Now I will draw this mango on this yellow chart paper and I will cut as well. So I will paste it here and I will make 2 leaves on this light green paper. You can use a dark green one as well. I will cut these 2 leaves. Now I will make eyes. To give this mango fancy dress a happy look, I will make smile. Now make hole here and here and then tie the string. So here is the overall look of this mango fancy dress for your kids. This is easy to make. I am going to make a strawberry fancy dress. So we need a cardboard, a red chart paper, a green chart paper, Fevistick, scissor, yellow color, paintbrush and pencil and strings. I will draw a strawberry. I am making a miniature form of fancy dress. So the procedure will be same and you can make it in big size. So I will cut it. Now I will cut this red paper in same size. Paste it. Now I make upper part of strawberry. We need this shape. Okay. We will draw like this. and we will cut it. Now I will paste it here. Now I will color it with yellow. So we are ready with our fancy dress on a strawberry. We will do hole here and we will tie on string. So this is the overall look of this costume.